Chakras are choke points in the body that hold repetitive cycles that can keep us stuck and unhealthy when they get congested. Asana moves energy through the choke points to decongest mind, body, and soul. On this page, we will be discussing some asanas that correlate with the chakra system in order to get movement flowing at these points, to decongest and release. Muladhara chakra, or the root chakra, is located at the base of the spine. This is a source of security and prosperity. Balasana, Uttanasana, and mountain pose, or Tadasana, are asanas that channel energy to this space. Some affirmations to incorporate are: I am safe, I am taken care of. Svadhisthana chakra, the sacral, is located at the abdomen and lower back. This is the chakra of fluidity and grace. Some key asanas to stimulate sacral chakra are seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana, reclined bound angle, Supta Baddha Konasana, or wide leg forward fold, Prasarita Padottanasana. I am in touch with my feelings. Manipura chakra, solar plexus, located above the belly button. And this is a powerhouse of personal power and non-dominating power. Some key postures to channel energy to the solar plexus are Navasana, or boat pose, reverse plank, or Pravaltanasana, and half lord of fishes, Ardha Matsindrasana. I own my power. Anahata chakra is located at the heart and related to love and the dualities in our psyche, such as male and female duality. Chakrasana, or camel, and Parvatjan Sirsasana, or cactus arms, is going to open channels to the heart and the Anahata chakra. I love and accept myself. Vishuddha chakra, located at the throat, is related to communication and creativity. Shoulder stand, plow, and fish pose channel energy here. We experience the world through vibration of sound with Vishuddha chakra. Sahasrara chakra is located at the crown of the head and channels consciousness and pure awareness. Shavasana and rabbit pose are going to channel energy here. When we develop this channel, we develop wisdom and optimal understanding of the world in its entirety.